Okay, let's look at exam 3A, problem number 9. Right? So we want to evaluate this definite integral. Right? So first we need to simplify by substitution. So we're going to let this guy, 3x plus 4, equals u. Right? So we're going to let u be 3x plus 4. Right? Take the derivative of u with respect to x. It's going to be equal to 3, right? Then we can just take the reciprocal of both sides. We get the dx over du is equal to 1/3, right? Then multiply through by du to get the dx is equal to du over 3. All right. Then another thing we need to do is, since these 0 and 4, these are x values, so we need to convert to u values. So originally x goes from 0 to 4, right? So we need to convert it to a corresponding u value, but all you really have to do is plug in x value into the substitution equation. So plug in 0 here, so it's a u is going to be equal to 4. So starting from 4, right? Plugging 4 here, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4, so that will be 16. All right, so now we can rewrite the integral. So integral becomes, right, integral from 4 to 16, right, 1 over, right, so this is 1, right, square root of u, right, so that's this guy, and dx is du over 3, right, and I clean up a little bit, so you have, so this is equal to, right, so there's 3 on the bottom, so constant is 1/3, so just to kick the constant out, then integral goes from still 4 to 16, right? Don't like fraction, I don't like square root, I'm going to write it as u, right? Since u is sitting on the denominator, so it's a negative power, and a square root is 1/2 power, so it's going to be negative 1/2 power. So that will take care of this guy, and a du, right? du. All right, then all you have to do is use the power rule and the fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate it. So it's going to be 1/3 is in front, right? Antiderivative of u to the negative 1/2 would be, right, add 1 to the power, so it's going to be negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2, right? Divided by 1/2 is same thing as multiply by 2, right? And this goes from 4 to 16, right? I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go up here since there's more room, right? This is equal to, right? I'm going to pull the 2 out, so it's a 2 over 3, right? Then if you want, you can write 2 is outside, and u to the 1/2 power is square root of u, and this goes from 4 to 16, right? So fundamental theorem of calculus, plug in the top, so 2/3 is outside, right? So you plug in 16, square root of 16 is 4, minus, plug in 4, square root of 4 is 2, right? So this is going to be, let's see, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 times 2/3 is 4/3, so 4/3 is the answer. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.